Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about English workshop, A Teenager's Prayer, 10th standard English poem. So let us see at first complex actual activities. Question number 1. What is the age group of the speaker or in the poem? Answer. Age group of the speaker is between 13 to 19 in the poem. Question number 2. What decisions does the speaker have to take? Answer. The speaker must make the decision about choosing the right path of life lying before him. He should choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or he should travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Okay. Next, question number 3. What does each new day fetch? प्रत्येक दिवसाची सुरुवात कशी होते? Each new day brings new beginning, in which poet has to take decisions. Question number 4. How should one react to temptation? The person should strictly just say no to any temptation that comes in his way. Question number 5. What effect does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teens? Answer. The poet wishes the company of God. He will know that the life he lived under the guidance and help of the Almighty was the best. Question number 6. In what condition does the poet wish to maintain his body? Answer. When temptation attracts him to do anything wrong. Question number 7. Whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life? Answer. Poet wishes the company of God. Next question. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. A. According to the poet, dash are brought by each new day. The correct option is, of course, correct option is new beginnings. B. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the years of his life, worst or best. The correct answer is best. We must decide to take the road which leads to great distress or great success. The correct option is great success. See, the poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is might or right. The correct option is right. Next question. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. यमक जुळणारे शब्द आपल्याला पाहिजे आहेत या कवितेतले. So number 1, make, take. Success, distress. See, me. Way, day. Okay. Question number 3. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following options. The rhyme scheme of the poem is, correct rhyme scheme is A, B, C, B. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Match the lines in column A with the figures of speech in column B. Column A, first, decisions I must make. This is, the figure of speech is inversion. Inversion. It means here, decisions I must make. At first, what is the structure of the sentence? Structure of the sentence is at first subject, then verb and then object. But here is reverse. The sentence is reverse. Means decisions हे अगोदर घेतलेलं आहे. Mean I हे नंतर घेतलेलं आहे आणि म्हणून this is the inversion. Okay. Second, please open my eyes, dear Lord. This is figure of speech apostrophe. Apostrophe means या ठिकाणी प्लीज ओपन माय आईज डिअर लॉर्ड या ठिकाणी रिक्वेस्ट केलेली आहे वाक्यामध्ये आणि जसे की एक्सक्लेमेशन वगैरे जे असतात उद्गारवाचक त्या ठिकाणी आणि त्याला आपण ॲपॉस्ट्रॉफी असं म्हणतो. थर्ड, ट्रॅव्हल डाऊन द डार्कन्ड रोड. दिस इज अलाइट्रेशन. Alliteration. What is mean by alliteration? Here, travel down the darkened road. See, down, the first letter is D. Then, darkened, the first letter is also D. So, D consonant is repeated here. So, this is alliteration. Okay. Next, 4. I can choose to take the road of life. This is metaphor. This is metaphor. I can choose to take the road of life. It means here is the comparison made by poet. Let us see question number 5. Elements of planning an interview. This is the group activity. Form groups and discuss each element of planning an interview and prepare notes on each element. Here, what is format? Let us see structure. Simple questions should be asked. To get answers, having accurate information of interview. Simple questions विचारायचे आहेत इंटरव्ह्यू मध्ये आणि accurate information त्याच्यामध्ये आली पाहिजे. What is the size and length and how much? The interview should be brief. It should cover all aspects. इंटरव्ह्यू हा थोडक्यात असला पाहिजे आणि सगळे पॉइंट्स यामध्ये कव्हर झाले पाहिजे. डूज अँड डोंट्स, रूल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन. काय केलं पाहिजे, काही न केलं पाहिजे आणि रूल्स काय आहेत पाहूया. अननेसेसरी क्वेश्चन्स शुड नॉट बी आस्क्ड. कुठलेही अननेसेसरी क्वेश्चन्स विचारायचे नाही आहेत. तर क्वेश्चन्स शुड बी रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक. लँग्वेज शुड बी सिम्पल अँड पोलाइट. क्वेश्चन्स हे टॉपिकशी रिलेटेडच असले पाहिजे आणि सिम्पल आणि लँग्वेज जी आहे ती पोलाइट असली पाहिजे, नम्र असली पाहिजे. Type of questions, yes no questions or WS type questions. WS type questions should be asked which starts from what, why, when, how, etc. आपण yes no questions किंवा WH questions विचारू शकतो. Yes no questions should be asked from do, does, did, will, would, can, could, etc. Okay. Next, prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. You may use the following guidelines. तर पाहूया आपण फॉर्मॅट. स्टँडर्ड टेम्पलेट फॉर कंडक्टिंग अँड इंटरव्ह्यू एक फॉर्मॅट आपण तयार केलेला आहे तो पाहूया. नेम ऑफ द इंटरव्ह्यू दीप. इंटरव्ह्यूचं नाव आहे दीप. नेम ऑफ द इंटरव्ह्युअर सोनवणे विशाखा. टॉपिक पर्सनल, रिसेंट, स्पोर्ट्स, बिझनेस, म्युझिक, आर्ट यापैकी स्पोर्ट्स हे चूज केलेलं आहे. व्हेन्यू स्टुडिओ, टीव्ही चॅनेल, ऑडिटोरियम, हॉल एक्सेट्रा. सो वी चूज स्टुडिओ. डेट, टाइम, ड्युरेशन. डेट फॉर एक्झाम्पल 6/6/2021 अँड ड्युरेशन और टाइम यू मे चूज. आपण कुठलंही एक ड्युरेशन ठरवून घेऊ शकतो किंवा टाइम ठरवून घेऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट, टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन्स. लेट अस सी. मिक्सअप ऑफ yes no questions and WH questions may be there. Place a proper background before every question. Proper background असलं पाहिजे. Conversation should sound like a real interview. आणि कॉन्व्हर्सेशन जे आहे ते खरं रिअल इंटरव्ह्यू आपल्याला वाटला पाहिजे. अवॉइड व्हेरी पर्सनल क्वेश्चन्स. कुठलेही पर्सनल क्वेश्चन्स विचारायचे नाही आहेत. अवॉइड व्हेरी कॅज्युअल, चीप अँड वल्गर लँग्वेज. कुठलीही उद्धट भाषा वापरायची नाही आहे, तर चांगली भाषा वापरायची आहे. Okay, let us see the format of questions. Question number 1. Could you please tell me about your family? What is your hobby? When did you start your karate? Who was your guider? What sort of trainings did you receive? Which competitions did you participate? What are the awards you have received? What are your future plans? What is your advice to young aspirants? What can you do to encourage them? In this way, we will ask questions. Let us see. Next question, question number 7. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences with the help of the following points. पहिला point आहे title. What is the title of the poem? The title of the poem is Teenager's Prayer. Poet. J. Morse is the poet of this poem. Rhyme scheme. ABCB is the rhyme scheme of this poem. What is the theme and central idea of this poem? Teenager prays Lord to show the right path. He wants company of Lord to walk with him. Teenager has to choose his road of life. He wants to avoid temptations. Figure of speech. Alliteration. For example, that life is lived very best. See here, life. L is the first alphabet and here is also lived. L is the first alphabet. So, L consonant is repeated here. So, this is the type of alliteration. Okay. Let us see question number 9. Look around in your vicinity, your family, friends, neighbors, classmates, etc. and write about any 4 teenagers who have made a name for themselves by doing something extraordinary. तुमच्या फॅमिलीमधून फ्रेंड्स किंवा नेबर्स क्लासमेट याच्यामधून काही टीनेजर्सची निवड करायची आहे आणि त्यांचं एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी वर्क काय आहे ते पाहायचं आहे. टीनेजर ग्रुप. Here number 1, family. From family, Yash is here, and what is his extraordinary task? He passed the 10th class with distinction. तो चांगल्या मार्काने पास झालेला आहे. Friends, Deep. Most creative in art and craft. तो आर्ट आणि क्राफ्ट मध्ये अतिशय क्रिएटिव्ह आहे. सतत काही ना काही नवनिर्मिती करत असतो आणि त्याला खूप आवड आहे आणि म्हणून दीपचं हे काय आहे की दिस इज द एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी टास्क. नेबर्स. फ्रॉम नेबर्स, सुजाता इज माय नेबर. शी इज अ सोशल वर्कर. शी डू ऑलवेज हेल्प्स नीडी पीपल. ती सतत गरजू लोकांना मदत करत असते. क्लासमेट्स. सम्यक इज अ क्लासमेट. ही कॉट रॉबर. त्याने एकदा चोराला पकडलं होतं. दिस इज हिज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी टास्क. हे त्याचं एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी टास्क आहे. इन दिस वे वी सी English workshop on teenagers prayer. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe this video. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.